We will start now. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir me sada Gurave sarvalokanam Vishaje bhavaroginam Nidhaye sarvavidyanam Dakshinamurtaye namaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye namaha Shruti Smriti Puranana Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavatpadam Shankaram Lokashankaram Sadashivasamarambham Shankaracharya-madhyamam Asmadacharya-paryantam Vande Guru-paramparam Sakshat Kritam Dayanandam Paramartha-swarupinam Tattva-jnana-prashastaram Pranatosmi param padam. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashaധ്യായിനീം Ambatvamanusandathami Bhagavad-gīte bhavadveshinīm Namostute Vyasa-vishala-buddhe Pulladahindāyata-patranetra Yena tvaya bharata-taila-purnaha Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha Prapannaparijataya Totra vetraikapanaye Jnanamudraya krishnaya Gītāmritaduhe namaha Sarvopanishado gavaha Dogdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsas Sudhir Bhakta Dugdham Gita Mritam Mahat Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Bhishmadronatata Jayadratajala Gandharanilotpala शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् पीतार्तगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः प्रेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम् यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। Can repeat. अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः।
अर्जुन उवाच।
अर्जुन उवाच
ध्यायसि चेत् कर्मणस्ते
ध्यायसि कर्मणस्ते
मथा बुद्धिर्जनार्दन
मथा बुद्धिर्जनार्दन
तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे माम्
तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे माम्
नियोजयसि केशव।
नियोजयसि केशव।
You have seen this shloka, the commentary to this shloka also. So Arjuna begins this chapter by the questions which are presented in the shloka number 1 and 2. Hey Janardana, Janaihi ardhyate yachyate iti Janardana. Janan ardayati iti Janardana. Hey Janardana. Chet yadi कर्मणः बुद्धिः जायसी तव mata. Mata, the word is derived from man dhatu. Ta pratyaya, nishta pratyaya. Mati buddhi pujarte vyascha. Rajat sutra pujarte ta pratyaya is added to the man dhatu, and that will govern shashti. Te mata, tava mata, shashti vibhakti. Te mata, according to you. Karmanaha buddhihi jayasi. Karma apekshaya buddhihi jayasi. अतिशयेन प्रशस्ता Jayasi, Yasun, Prashasya, Shaha, Sutra is that. By that we get Jayasi. So if Buddhi, that is the Jnanam, is greater than Karma, Tavamata, Tat Kim Karmani, Kimartam, Asmin, Ghora Karmani, Mam, Niyojayasi. Kimartam Ghore Karmani, Mam, Niyojayasi. Where he said, Tasmad Yudyasva Bharata, iti, Vachane ki Kimartam Mam, Asmin Ghore Karmani, Niyumte, iti Arjunasya Prashnaha. Now, therefore, Arjuna really, now it becomes Vyakuli Bhutaha. Previously, he was Vyakuli Bhutaha because of not knowing what to do. Now, after listening to the second chapter, he continues to be the Vyakuli because he told in the beginning, Yat Shreyaha Syat Tat Nishchitam Bruhi Tanme iti. The second chapter, he told, Shishyaha Te Agam Shadi, Mam Shadi iti. What is Shreya? Nija Shreyaha Yachitam Arjunena. And after talking about Jnanam, Bhagavan Krishna, he talked karma and he told Jnanena Brahma Sakshatkaram Bhavati iti Mokshaha Bhavati. But you do karma. Therefore, and that to karma is Ghora karma, Himsa karma. So therefore, Kimartam Asmin Ghore Karmani Yuddha Rupa Karmani Himsa Prachura Karmani Kimartam E Janardana Mam Niyojayasi iti. As a guru, you should ask me to what? You should ask me to do the Adhyayanam. Yadi Adhyaye Niyumte, Shastra Patane Niyumte Chet, then it is fine. But you said Tasmad Yudyasva Bharata Yuddhaya Krita Nischayaha iti, the second chapter, Bhagavan Krishna, while talking about Jnanam itself, in the 18th shloka itself, which comes under the Jnana Yoga section of the second chapter, Sankhya Yoga, Tasmad Yudyasva Bharata. And again, Yuddhaya Krita Nischayaha, before talking about karma topic, Yeshate Avigita Buddhihi, Buddhir Yogetu Imam iti, the 39th shloka, where he started the new topic, Karma Yoga. Just before that, he said, Yuddhaya, He Kaunteya, Tasmad Uttishta Kaunteya, Yuddhaya Krita Nischayaha iti. So therefore, Arjuna naturally becomes confused. This karma, this vyapara is not a simple karma. It is a terrible karma. So therefore, naturally he gets confused. Therefore he says, Kimartam mam asmin Ghore Karmani. So this question is asked by Arjuna, who is a bit confused. So Vyakuli Bhutena Arjunena Prishtaha Bhagavan Prati Prishtaha. So therefore, he continues. The second shloka also, he says, it is not that you confused me, it seems I have got confusion. Your vakyas must be clear, but in my understanding, it is not clear. So that is what he is going to say, and asking further, you tell me very clearly. You tell me very clearly what is Shreyas for me. What he asked the second chapter, the same thing he is asking now. यत् श्रेयः तत् निश्चितं मां ब्रूहि तन्मे. The same thing. The Shreyas, the word he has used in many places. Acha Shreyo Nupashyami. He said before, Shreyo Bhoktum Bhaikshyam Api Galoke iti. I don't see any good in killing this my kith and kin. So now again he is going to ask, what is Shreyas for me? The word Shreyas is not something totally unfamiliar to us. We know in the Kathopanishad, when the Yamadharmaraja introduced the topic of Vedanta, he introduced Shreyascha Preyascha Manushyametaha Tau Samparitya Vivinatti Dhiraha Shreyogi Dhiraha Abhipreyaso Vrinite Preyo Mandaha Yogakshemat Vrinite iti. So Preyasaha Shreyaha Vrinite. What is prayers? Pashuputradin Padartha. These are the prayers. And Shreyas is this Jnanam, this Paramatmanam Prati, that Jnanam, Paramatma Jnanam, Atma Jnanam, that is Shreyas. Jnanena, you become free. You become free. Therefore, Shreyas, it is what is ultimately good for a person, because it completely frees a person from this samsara chakra, from this janma, marana, samsara chakra, and also within the samsara, all the different sorts of pain. In spite of the pain, the person is asking for sukham. Is enjoying the sukham, little bit of sukham, whatever comes. That is prayas. Prayaha mandaha vrinite. Shreyas is chosen by the viveka, dhiraha, viveki purushaha. Now Arjuna has become a viveki. Therefore, he is asking for Shreyas. And that you tell me clearly, how will I be that Shreyas? Karma yogena va, atava jnana yogena va. The Karma Yoga or Jnana Yoga. Iti Karma Yogena va Jnana Yogena means it is not that two parts, there are choice. It is not choice, because Bhagavan himself very clearly told in the first chapter, and Bhashyakara has established that there is no confusion in the teaching of Bhagavan Krishna. There is no Jnana Karma Samuchaya. Karma Yogena va Jnana Yogena va, it is only asking that which I am qualified to do. Jnana Yogena, that is characterized by the lifestyle of sannyasa. Karma Yoga is characterized by the lifestyle of the grihastha, karmanishta. So karma and jnana, between them, there is choice is not there for moksha. That is because it is not samuchaya, it is krama samuchaya, not for moksha, this jnana karma samuchaya. That Arjuna clearly understood. Bhashyakara elaborated for the sake of us, he elaborated. There is no samuchaya iti. So if karma is to be done with lot of pain, trouble, I can take to jnanam, I can take the lifestyle of sannyasa, be away from this all such vyapara action. That seems to be better. For that, Bhagavan will say later. Karma is important. Karmani eva tava adhikaraha. Why? Karmana chitta shuddhi. That adhikaritvam one has to cultivate. That adhikaritvam, you have to discover the person adhikari in you. When that happens, when you become an adhikari, that karma naturally drops from you. You become qualified for jnanam, that is sannyasam. This solitude, as it said in the 12th and the 13th chapter, you go to a place free from the people. There is no jana sancharam. You live a life of solitude, completely immersing yourself in this jnana-nishtha. That is sannyasa sankhya. That akvata is gained through the anushthanam of karma. What is to be done? Swadharma paripalana. Whatever may be the dharma is, whichever stage of life a person is. So that is the complete the teaching. So therefore, so that Arjuna yet to be understood. Therefore, the next prashna comes from the mouth of Arjuna, which we will read. The second shloka. We have seen the Bhashyam, the first shloka. Now the second shloka we will read. Kincha Yamishreneva vakyena buddhim mohayasiva me tadekam vada nischitya yena shreyohamapnuyam. Mohayasi. From mohayasi. Bhavan mohayati. Moha. Maha moha visa. Maha moha is that moha, that is avidya. Maha moha graha grasaika karmane. Panchadeshikara in the Dhyana Shloka is said Maha moha. That Maha moha is a graha. It swallows, it's a shark. That Maha moha. So mohayasi. Mohayasi is Brahmaha. Moha is Brahmaha. Vyamogaha. Bhavan vyamohayasi. What? Me buddhim. Mohayasi. Buddhim mohayasi. Kasya buddhim mama buddhim. Me buddhim mohayasi. Buddhihi, here it is, buddhi is antakharanam, not the jnanam. In the previous shloka, jayasi karmana chet mata buddhihi janardana. There buddhihi, the word is there, buddhihi buddhi, buddhayaha pratama vibhakti. Here buddhi means there, it is dvitya vibhakti of buddhi shabda, but it is, here the meaning is different. There buddhihi, the first shloka, buddhihi is jnanam. Here buddhihi is antakarana. The word being the same, depending on the context, you have to give the meaning. Mama buddhim, me buddhim, mama antakaranam, mohayasi, vyamohayasi. Iva, the iva word is very important. Iva, as though, seemingly, iva. So, vyamishrena iva. Vyamishrena is conflicting. Vyamishrena, we have to supply. Vakyena. Vyamishrena. Sankirnena eva. Sankirneva. Vakyena. This Karma Yoga and Jnana Yoga both have been taught in the second chapter. So, therefore, the Vakyas of the Karma Yoga and Jnana Yoga. Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Yoga, Pratipadakena, Vakyena, Vyamishrena iva. Vyamishrena iva. Thus, by the statements which are confused, which are as though confusing, as though conflicting, not confusing, conflicting. Sankirnena iva, Vyamishrena iva, Vakyena is there. Vakyena, the word itself is there. So, Vakyena, Padena. So, Vakyena, Padena. Mam Buddhim, Mama Buddhim Mohayasi. Therefore, Ekam Vada. Tell me one thing very clearly. Therefore, tell me one thing very clearly. Ekam Vada, Nishchitya, very firmly. Nipurvaka Chidhatu, Yapratya, Nishchitya. Ekam Vada Nishchitya, Yena, by which Agam Shreyaha Apnuyam. Shreyaha Apnuyam. Apnuyam, middling. Agam Apnuyam. So, Ekam Vada, tell me one thing clearly. Ekam Vada, by which Agam Shreyaha, the good, Agam Apnuyam, the ultimate good, Agam Apnuyam. Ekam Vada. Ekam is Jnanamba Karmamba. Ekam, Kinchit Ekam, Nishchitya. Very clearly, having firmly ascertained, Pravivichya Vada. You please tell. Bruyaha. Yena, by which? Yena referring to by the knowledge of which. Karma Yogena Atava Jnana Yogena Va. Karma Yogena Va, Jnana Yogena Va, Agam Shreyaha. Shreyaha is the good, that Shubham, Mangalam, Kalyanam, that is Moksha, Sukham. Shreyaha is Sukham. What Sukham? Nitya Niratishaya. This Atma Sukham, Atmanandam. Agam Apnuyam Prapnuyam. Tell me one thing very clearly by which I will get this Atma Jnanam. That is the Mangalam, that is the Shreyas. That is the Shreyas I will gain. So therefore, hey Bhagavan, that here in this shloka, the Iva, the word is used in two places. Vyamishrena Iva, Mohayasi Iva. So the Vakyam of Arjuna, the Prashna of Arjuna is very significant. He beautifully presents he presents his condition and also asking for the Shreyas. He didn't doubt Krishna. He has complete Shraddha in the Vakya of Bhagavan. Therefore, Mohayasi Iva. And Bhagavan gives clear knowledge. There is no confusion. Therefore, Vyamishrena Iva. So both this Shraddha and as well as Vinaya. You are confusing me, he didn't say. Because Vinaya, the humility is there. Therefore, and also Shraddha is there in the teaching of Bhagavan Krishna. So Vinaya and Shraddha, that is beautifully exhibited by Vyasacharya. He nicely presents the condition, the mental status of Arjuna. So Arjuna is really a fit adhikari for receiving this jnana. Tadvitti pranipatena pariprashnena sevya. That pranipata is falling, surrendering. That is expressed nicely in the words by Arjuna. So therefore, Vyamishrena Iva, Buddhim Mohayasi Iva. That is the significance of the word Iva. Giving the benefit of doubt completely to Bhagavan. That is called Shraddha. He didn't doubt. If he doubts, then the teaching will not continue. But he didn't doubt. He has complete Shraddha because Guru Vakyeshu, Shastreshu Guru Vakyeshu, Shraddha. Vishwasaha is Shraddha. Arjuna asked that. Therefore, Iva he uses in two places. Iva iti. So therefore, Tayoho Jnana Karma Yogo Ekam Vada Nishchitya, by which I get Shreyaha Sukam Apnuyam. Apnuyam Vidili. Now we will read the Bhashyam. Vyamishreeneti.
Vyamishreeneti.
Vyamishrena iva.
Vyamishrena iva.
Yadyapi vivikta abhidhayi. Splitting that.
Yadyapi
Vivikta abhidhayi. Bhagavan. Tathapi. Mama manda buddhihi. Yamishram iva. Bhagavat Vakyam Pratibhati. Tena mama buddhim mohayasi iva. So, Vyamishrena Vakyena iva. Bhagavan has said for moksha, jnanam is the means. Jnanam is the means. Then, if jnanam is a means, then you should study Shastram. For Shastram study, you need a place, an isolated place, a place, or even if it is not isolated, a place where there is no problem, no trouble, where there is nothing to disturb your focus, your concentration. That cannot be done if you parallelly do Vyavahara. You have to reduce Vyavahara, otherwise completely give up Vyavahara and do. So therefore, it means sannyasa. So jnanam is the means, therefore sannyasa is a means. But Arjuna been asked by Bhagavan to do karma. Therefore Vyamishrena. So Vyamishrena Vakyena iva yadyapi viviktadhayi Bhagavan. Viviktadhayi Bhagavan. Bhagavan is viviktadhayi. Viviktam means vispashtam, spashtam, clear. Abhidhayi. Abhidhayi is presenter, presentator. Bhagavan is a clear presentator. Is a clear presentator means he says, he talks very clearly, distinctly, clearly, no confusion, no confusion. Even for no confusion, he doesn't have confusion. Bhagavan cannot have confusion. Even the listeners cannot have confusion because his statements, presentations are very clear. So Vivikta Abhidhayi Bhagavan. Bhagavan is Vivikta Abhidhayi. Abhipurvaka dhadatu. Abhidhayi. It is Nakaranta Shabda. Nakaranta Shabda like Karin. Abhidhayi, Abhidhayinau, Abhidhayinaha. So Vivikta Abhidhayi, Abhidhayi Bhagavan. Upapada Samasa. Viviktam. So this Abhidhayi, this Bhagavan, he presents very clearly. Bhagavan Vivikta Abhidhayi Bhagavan. Yadyapi Bhagavan is Vivikta Abhidhayi, is the clear presentator. Tathapi Mama Buddhihi. Manda Buddhihi. My Buddha is Manda Buddhihi. Manda Buddhehe. Buddhi. Who says? Arjuna says. Manda Buddhi. Manda Buddhihi. Yasya Saha. Arjunasya Arjuna says, Mama buddhihi manda buddhihi. Manda buddhihi bahuvrihi samasa. My buddhi is manda buddhi. Therefore, vyamishram iva. Therefore, mama manda buddhehe vyamishrena iva bhagavat vakyam pratibhati. Vyamishram iva bhagavat vakyam, the statement of the Lord, it is vyamishram iva pratibhati. Seems as though confusing. Seems as though it is conflicting. So, Arjuna has complete Shraddha that Bhagavan is clear. Bhagavan has clarity. I don't have clarity. Therefore, your Vakyam seems to confuse me. It seems to confuse me. Therefore, what you say, I am not able to understand clearly. Pratibhati appears confusing. Because it appears confusing, what? Bhavataha Vakyam Vyamishram iva pratibhati. Therefore, it is mohayasi. The next line. Tena
Tena
mama buddhim mohayasi iva.
mama
Mama
buddhi
buddhi
mohayasi
mohayasi
iva.
iva.
Tena referring to the Vakyena. Tena, because of that, not Vakyena, Tena referring to because of this, yeah, this Manda Buddhim, because of my Manda Buddhi. Tena referring to the previous line. Mama buddhim vyamishram iva bhagavat vakyam pratibhati. Your Vakya seems to be confusing. Therefore, that referring to that, Tena. Your Vakya seems to confuse me. By that, mama buddhi mohayasi iva. Tena mama buddhi mohayasi iva. Therefore, your Vakyas mohayasi, it is seems to confuse me. Your Vakyas seems to conflict. Tena, by that, because of that, my buddhi seems to get confused. Your Vakya seems to conflict. Therefore, my buddhi, my understanding seems to be confused. So, Vyamishram iva, conflicting iva. Vyamishram is conflicting. Iva Bhagavat Vakyam Pratibhati, conflicting. Therefore, it is confusing. So, connecting. Bhashakara connects. Vyamishram, therefore, mohayasi. Next line. Mama buddhehe
Mama
Mama
buddhi
buddhi
vyamoha apanayahi
vyamoha
apanaya
pravrittaha tvam
pravrittasvam
tvam tu
pravrittatvam tu
katam mohayasi
katham mohayasi
ataha bravimi
ataha brahmi
buddhim mohayasi iva me mama iti.
buddhim mohayasi iva me mama iti.
Pravrittaha tvam. You are pravrittaha, tvam pravrittaha, you are engaged. You are engaged in what? Vyamoha apanayanaya. Apanayanam. Apanayanam is removal. Ni purvaka, sorry, apapurvaka nidhatu. Apanayanaya. Apanayanaya for the removal of what? Vyamoha. This Vyamohanam, this moha, this confusion. You are engaged in the removal of my confusion. Already I am confused. That has been clearly exhibited by Arjuna in the first chapter. And Tvam Pravrittaha, you are engaged in the removal of my confusion. My wrong understanding, my confusion. Vyamoha apanaya Tvam Pravrittaha. Vyamoha apanaya. Of what? Mama buddhehe, my buddhi. Mama buddhehe, that Vyamohanam is there for my buddhi. So that Vyamohanasya apanayanaya tvam pravrittaha. Therefore, katam Tvam tu mohayasi. How can you confuse me? Katam mohayasi. Katam tvam tu mohayasi. How can you confuse me? Katam aksheparte katam. Therefore, you cannot confuse me. How can you confuse me? You are engaged in giving clarity to me. You are engaged in removing the confusion which I have, which I am in. So how can you confuse me? Therefore, ataha bravimi. Therefore, I say, what? Buddhim mohayasi iva me mama iti. Therefore, I say that you are confusing my buddhi as though, as it were, mama buddhim mohayasi iti agam vadami bravimi. Then the next line. Tatra inna kartrakayoho jnana karmanoho eka purusha anusthana asambhavam
Ekapurushanusthana
yadi manyase
Yadi manyase
tatraivam sati
Traivam sati
tat tayoho
Tatayoho
ekam buddhim
Ekam buddhim
karmava
Karmava
ekam buddhim karmava
Ekam karmava
idameva arjunasya
Arjunasya
yogyam
Yogyam
swabuddhi shakti avasthanurupam iti.
Buddhi Shakti Avasthana
Avasthanurupam
Swabuddhi shakti avasthanurupam iti. Nischitya
Nishchitya
vada
Vada
ruhi.
Bruhi
So here, yadi tvam manyase, tvam tu manyase. If you think, jnana karmanoho eka purusha anusthana asambhavam binna kartrikayoho yadi tatraivam sati. Jnana karmanoho eka purusha anusthana sambhavam. Impossibility of observing, following the jnana and karma by the same person simultaneously. By a person, by the same person means simultaneously. That is jnana and karma. Both are pursued by the same person, same time. Jnana karmanoho eka purusha anusthana sambhavam. Therefore, binna kartrikayoho, it is for the different kartas to be observed, to be followed, to be pursued by different persons. Binna kartrikayoho, binna kartaro, binna kartrikau. Yayoho tau, binna kartrikau. So to be followed, it's a Bhagavati Samasa, binna kartrikau. Binna kartrikau. Kartrikau from ka has come, that is samasanta pratyaya. Kap pratyaya is added. Binna kartrikau, it becomes. That is two different types of people. It is to be pursued by two different types of people. Because jnana and karma cannot be performed simultaneously by the same person. Therefore, it has to be performed by two different people. If that is Tatraivam sati, that is so. Yadi manyase, if that is so, if that is what Bhagavan has taught, it is what Bhagavan had taught. Cannot be pursued by the same person, to be pursued by different person who are in different stage of growth. Tatraivam sati. Tat, then tayoho. Tayoho referring to between the two. Jnana, karma yoga yogo, tayoho. Ekam vada, buddhim va, karma va. Vada, bruhi. You tell me one thing. Nischitya, having clearly ascertained. Having clearly ascertained, you tell me one thing. What? Idam eva Arjunasya yogam. This is what Arjuna is qualified for. Idam eva Arjunasya yogam. This alone is Arjuna is fit for, deserved for. In keeping with what? Swabuddhi Shakti Avasthana Rupam. In keeping with its understanding, buddhi, understanding, intelligence, Shakti, the power, the strength, and Avastha Nurupam, in keeping with the Avastha. Avastha is Varna Ashrama Avastha, in keeping with that whichever stage of life is one, whichever Varna the person belongs to. In keeping with that, in keeping with this alone is Arjuna deserves for. Iti Nischitya, you tell me one thing very clearly. Buddhimva, karmava. You tell me one thing very firmly. Tata brughi. Vada brughi. Nischitya brughi. You tell me that which is in keeping with my intelligence, strength, and avastha. Avastha is the condition, the situation. What situation? Arjuna is a Kshatriya. And whichever stage of life he is in keeping with that. Suppose if he is in an old man, it's getting in the final stage of life, then you cannot ask him to do karma. It's a time for retirement. Physically also not possible. Physically also he cannot execute any karma. So therefore, varna and ashrama, varnavastha, ashramavastha. That is what avastha, avasthana rupam, nischitya vada. Iti. The next line. Yena jnanena.
Yena jnanena
Karmana va.
karmana va
Karmana va.
Anyatarena.
Anyatarena
Shreyaha aham apnuyam prapnuyam.
Shreyaha
aham apnuyam
apnuyam
apnuyam.
Yena, that is, you tell me one thing by which following that, what is that? Jnanena va karmanena va. Yena jnanena karmana va. Jnanena va karmana va. Anyatarena, either Anyatarena is among one of the two, either of the two. Karmana va jnanena va. Agam shreyaha apniyam, following karma yoga or jnana yoga. By following which I will get shreyas. Shreyas apniyam prapniyam iti. So I'm interested in moksha. I am moksharthi. I am mumukshu. So what should I do now? Should I do karma or should I do jnana? So if one is not clear about one's condition, then one has to seek the help from the teacher only, Guru only. So Arjuna he thinks Bhagavan knows better about me. So therefore, what should I follow? And naturally, Bhagavan will say, you follow karma. That is what you deserve for now. In keeping with your avastha, the condition, your shakti, and your buddhi. You will grow over a period of time. You will grow. Then when that maturity comes, then jnanam. But now karma. So therefore, jnanena va karmana va, here it is not a choice for the shreyas. Karmana jnanam. Jnanena Shreyaha. That is very clear. Now he is asking which lifestyle should I take up to? Jnana Yoga lifestyle, which is characterized by sannyasa, or Karma Yoga lifestyle, which is characterized by this Karma Yoga following the one's dharma, swadharma, living in the society, contributing to the society, to the family. Which one should I do? For Arjuna, it is taking up this war now, immediate karma is getting engaged in this karma, war. Therefore, now the next line. Yadi iha karmanishtayam
Karmanishayam
gunabhutam api jnanam bhagavata uktam syat
Jnanam Bhagavata
Bhagavata
tat katham
Tatham
tayoho ekam vada iti
Tayoho
Ekam Vadati
eka vishaya eva arjunasya
Eka Vishaya
shushruषा syat. So here, Ashikara, again he brings the Jnana Karma Samuchayavadi and dismissing that. Yadi iha, here, if Bhagavan, if Jnanam was taught by Bhagavan as the secondary means, a secondary to the person who is committed to Karma Yoga, then how can that be the desire, the intention to listen to only one thing? And that is said by Arjuna, Ekam Vada Nishchitya. Please tell me one of the two. That is Karmanishtayam. Karmanishta, that is Nishta, the lifestyle which is committed to karma. That is Karmanishta means Karma Sadhanam. Karma Sadhanam. Jnanam Bhagavata Uttam Syat. If knowledge was told by Bhagavan. Guna Bhutam Api. Guna Karmanishtayam. Guna Bhutam Api Jnanam Bhagavata Uttam Syat. Karmanishtayam means in the lifestyle of, for the person who is in the lifestyle committed to karma, that is, who is doing karma yoga as the sadhanam, the person is karma yogi. And guna bhutam api jnanam bhagavata uttam syat. Guna is gauna, secondary. Jnanam taught as secondary. Jnana gunabhutam api jnanam bhagavata uttam syat. If knowledge, jnanam, taught by Bhagavan as a secondary, if Bhagavan had the intention that this jnana nishta, that along with jnana nishta, this karma nishta, that is, for the person who is in the karma nishta, this jnanam also, the jnanam also is secondary. Guna bhutam api syat. Tat katam, how is that? Tayoha ekam vada. Among the two, you tell me one thing. Iti eka vishaya eva arjunasya shushrusha syat. How can be on the part of the Arjuna, the desire be there to know only one thing? Shushrusha. Shushrusha is shrotum icha shushrusha. Shrotum icha shushrusha. Yadi Bhagavata Uttam Syat, if taught by Bhagavan, what karmanishtayam gunabhutam api jnanam. In Karma Yoga, this Jnanam referring to Jnana Yoga. So in Karma Nishtayam, Karma Yoga, this Gunabhotam Jnana Nishtha also it is there. So it is Karma Nishtha and Karma is Pradhanam and Gunabhotam api Jnanam also is there. That is Jnana Karma Samuchaya. It is there. Bhagavata Uttam Syat. You do karma and also as a secondary, as a supportive thing, have jnanam also. Iti Bhagavata Uttam Syat. That is so, then Arjuna would not have raised. Katam Arjunasya is that Katam. Tarhi Katam Arjunasya Shushrusha Syat. How can Arjuna have such a question? Shushrusha is Shotum Icha. Here it is referring to the question, the Prashna. So, how can Krishna can mean Samuchayavada? If Krishna meant Samuchayavada, then Tayoga Ekam Vada iti, among the two, you teach me one thing, that Eka Vishaya Shushrusha on the part of Arjuna would not have been there. So, Samuchaya be there, then Eka Vishaya, that Shushrusha, the desire to know one thing, that would not have been there on the part of the Arjuna. So that's the Samuchaya not there. So Karmanishtayam Gunabhutam api. In the lifestyle of Karma Yoga, this supporting that Jnanam is there. Whether Jnanam is mixed with Karma or Karma is mixed with the Jnanam, any Samuchaya, the Samuchaya by Samuchayena Moksha na bhavati. That is very clear. So leading the lifestyle of Karma Yoga and you Gunabhutam Jnanam api yadi Bhagavata Uttam. It means Jnana Karma Samuchaya. Jnanam Karma is there, Jnanam also is Gunabhutam api as a supporting. It means Karma gives you moksha, gives Shreyas. If this is what Bhagavan had told, then Katam Tat Bhavati, Tayoho Ekam Vada, Arjunasya Prashnaha. Arjuna who wants to listen is so Eka Vishaya Shushrusha. Ekaha Vishayaha Yasyaha Sa Eka Vishaya, that Icha Shushrusha, qualifying that Eka Vishaya Shushrusha. Ekaha Vishayaha Yasyaha Sa Eka Vishaya Shushrusha. Eka Vishaya Shushrusha. How can there be the Eka Vishaya is adjective to Shushrusha. Vishaya means the subject matter, Therefore, Ekaha Vishayaha is Pullinga. Vishayaha. Ekaha Vishayaha. Yasyaha, that Shushrusha Yaha, referring to the Shushrusha. So, among the two, this one thing, Eka Vishaya, this Eka Vishaya, the one among the two, that Arjuna wants to listen. That question would not have been that Ekam Vada iti, that Arjunasya Shushrusha, the desire to listen, desire to know, that question would not have been there if Bhagavan had taught Gunabhutam Jnanam api Karmanishtayam Vartate iti. If Bhagavan had taught, then this question would not have been there on the part of Arjuna. Therefore, Jnana Karma Samuchaya not there. Because he is asking the question, Ekam Vada, that itself very clearly indicates there is no Jnana Karma Samuchaya. Then the next line. So wherever chance is there, Bhashyakara will condemn this Jnana Karma Samuchaya. Now the next line. Next line is it's a answer. It's an possible answer by a Samuchayavadi that Bhashyakara gives, and that also negates. Nahi Bhagavata Uttam Anyatarat eva Jnana Karmanoho Bhakshyami. Naivadvayam iti. येन उभय प्राप्ति असंभवात्मनः
येन
येन
असंभवम् आत्मनः मन्वाणः
असंभवम् आत्मनः मन्यमानः
एकमेव प्रार्थयेत्
एकमेव प्राप्तयेत्
येन उभय प्राप्ति असंभवम् आत्मनः मन्वाणः एकमेव प्रार्थयेत्. So nahi bhagavata purvam bhuktam, and it is not told by Bhagavan. What? Anyataratyeva jnana karmanoho lakshyami na ev na naiva dvayam na eva dvayam. That is na bhagavata uktam na nahi bhagavata uktam, not told by the Lord where purvam, before. What? That within quote. That what not by taught by Bhagavan is given within quote. What anyataratyeva jnana karmanoho lakshami na eva dvayam. Agam lakshami, I shall tell only of the two. What? Jnana karmanoho, only one of the two I will tell, not two. Iti bhagavata purvam na uktam syat. Bhagavan had not taught before, because of which Arjuna yena ubaya prapti asambhavam atmanah manvanaha ekameva prarthayet, because of which Arjuna thinking of the impossibility of doing both, he would have asked only for one. That is, Samuchayavadi says Jnana Karma Samuchaya is what Bhagavan taught. But we say no. Bhagavan also taught what? Both are required. Both are required for, as a one is the means for the other. So Bhagavan, both are required, but I will teach you one. Both are, since Bhagavan teaches both Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga. Bhagavan teaches both Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga. If there is for two different adhikaris, it is for two different adhikaris. So both are required, but I will teach you one. Since you are not teaching both, please teach me one. Iti Purvapakshi. Iti Bhashakara imagines this Purvapakshi. So it means Samuchaya. That is negated by the Bhagavan here. We will see this Vakya in the next class. Okay. The last line is that we will see. We have to discuss a little on that. We'll see this Vakya in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद जी
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद जी.